Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful images using Blue Willow AI by typing in the correct prompts. So first of all, open your Discord. Now make sure you've added Blue Willow AI to your Discord server. And after that, type in here /imagine. Select this prompt. Now you will have to type in a prompt here. And for that purpose, I use a website called lexica.art. So first of all, open your browser. Then go to lexica.art. Click enter. Now, once you're here, search for an image that you want to create. Let's say I want to create a beautiful scene. Beautiful, realistic scenery. Click enter. Now scroll down and choose an image you like and you want to create. Let's say I like this one. So just click on that photo and click on copy the prompt. Now go back to your Discord server and just paste that prompt here and click on enter and it will generate the images. And as you can see, it has provided you with 4 pictures. Now if you like any one of these, like let's say I like the second one, click on the U2 one and it will upscale the image for you. Like this, it has upscaled the image for us. Now we're going to try a different image and try to make it more realistic. Go back to Lexica. Now we're going to create a different type of photo. Let's say a house in a desert. House in a desert, ultra realistic. Click enter. After that, just scroll down and choose an image that you like. Let's say I like this one, the circle wooden house one. Click on that photo. Click on copy the prompt. Go back to your Discord server. Type in /imagine and just paste that prompt here. Click on enter and will generate the images. And as you can see, it has provided us with 4 pictures. This one doesn't look quite good, but these 3 look real nice. Let's say I like this 4 one. Now click on U4 and it will upscale that image for you. Like this, it is a pretty good photo. Now, one more tip is that you can type in after the you have pasted that prompt like highly realistic, HD, 4K, high quality, and stuff that gives you the best quality picture slash product possible. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can create beautiful images using Blue Willow AI by typing in the correct prompts. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.